Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting a clean, dry recording. You want minimal room sound and a steady distance from the mic. Once done, set your DAW to 44, 1K HZ and 16-bit, then record a 10-20 second sample. Make sure to use a pop filter and keep consistent volume. This gives you clean audio to process. Export and save as WAV or another lossless format, labeled so you can always return to the raw track. Now you build the robot tone. First, apply a controlled pitch shift. Try lowering between 3 and 12 semitones. This deepens the voice. Next, add formant shifting or subtle ring modulation to create that metallic edge, because it changes vowel characteristics without sounding unnatural. Once that's in place, EQ aggressively. Reduce muddy 200-400 Hz, boost presence around 2 to 5 kHz, and layer a short 20-60 millisecond delay for texture. Make adjustments while listening carefully. Finish by compressing to glue the processed vocal. Use medium attack and fast release, and blend parallel compression for punch. Once balanced, apply a subtle reverb or convolution impulse to place the voice in space. Automating wet amount preserves intelligibility. Make sure to render at a high sample rate if you plan further edits. If you hear digital artifacts or unnatural wobble, reduce effect depths, smooth formant transitions, or increase sample rate. These steps usually clear up glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.